Installation errors. Some software you want to install, and when you want to install, it say it has gone to error, or you see the error having, and then your application don't want to install again. You can't install software. Do this instead of retrying. Run as administrator first of all. When you have your application, you go where your application is found. You run as administrator. How? You high click on the software you want to install. You say run as administrator. That means you have some privileges to install that application. Then I can now start installing my application. Secondly, you check for storage space. You see the storage space first of all of your application, which is 109.7 megabyte or 109.771 kilobyte, and then your storage space is 6 gigabyte. That means you have enough storage to install your application. So make sure before installing an application, the storage is important. And then, even though you run as administrator, you check for storage space and it's okay, but one thing can still stop your installation to work: antiviruses. Most of applications are corrupted antivirus, or are corrupted files, and then antivirus take it as viruses. So you come into the taskbar, you repair your antivirus protection, you high click, this is it. You can turn on. When you turn on, it means that it can detect that your application is either a virus or not, and may stop you installing that application. So you disable it. It has a time. You disable it. When you want to disable any application, some of them have a timing. You have for 15 minutes, you have for 1 hour, you have for until computer restart, and you have for permanent close. That means it will never open again, even though it is installed in your computer. So with this, it's better to even put 15 minutes depending on the number of time that your application may install. So better take 1 hour, and then you say okay. You close, and then you can install your application. You see, you will just install without any stoppable error. That is your application that is installing. So let me repeat the 3 steps. If you can't install the software, do this instead: run as administrator, check storage space, disable antivirus temporarily, and then you will get your application installed as you are seeing the screen. Thank you for watching. Like the video, subscribe, comment, share, and activate the notification bar for not missing the next video. Thank you and goodbye.